Wood glue is essential for strong joints in woodworking. Here are 3 quick tips to ensure perfect glue joints every time. Tip 1. Surface preparation. Make sure both surfaces are clean and smooth. Sand them lightly to remove any dust or debris, ensuring the glue bonds well. Tip 2. Apply the right amount of glue. Too much glue can lead to a messy squeeze-out, while too little can weaken the joint. Apply a thin, even layer of glue for the best results. Tip 3. Use clamps for a tight bond. Clamp the pieces together firmly, but not too tight. You want to maintain even pressure across the joint. Let the glue cure fully before removing the clamps. Conclusion. With these tips, your wood glue joints will be strong and reliable, ensuring your projects last for years to come. I'm really sorry for the super short video and no visuals this time. I just wanted to quickly share these tips with you all. I truly appreciate your understanding and support. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.